Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming permissions and making a quick backup export of the current batch. This protects you if edits go wrong. Once done, log into GEM, enable two-factor, and navigate to Payments Bulk Payments. Immediately upload the CSV/XLSX you intend to update. Make sure file encoding and column headers are intact so GEM reads fields correctly. Failing that, stop and fix the file. After upload, GEM shows a preview. Review the first 5-10 rows before proceeding. You'll now map your columns to GEM fields and run the built-in validator so issues surface early. If you see duplicate payments or missing account ID, correct them in the preview or export and re-upload. This prevents failed transactions. Use conditional bulk edits for identical adjustments. For example, add a tax code to all rows with type equals refund. Once edits are applied, preview the changed rows and run a small test subset through GEM's sandbox or dry run to confirm behavior. You finish by saving a draft and then submitting the batch when totals and counts match expectations. After submission, watch the processing queue and notifications. Open the audit log to confirm individual row statuses and error codes. If some rows fail, use the backup export to roll back, correct the specific rows, and re-upload only the failed subset to avoid duplicates. Quick tip: if payments remain stuck, check gateway credentials and retry after clearing only the errored rows to avoid double payments.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.